move to the question number 5. The equation of the curve is y is equal to 4x to the power of half minus x. So this one is the equation of the curve, which is 4x to the power of half minus x. The curve has a maximum point when x is equal to e. So when x is equal to a, this one is the maximum point, maxima, and crosses the x-axis at the point with coordinate b comma 0. So this is the point where this curve will have x intercept, where b is greater than 0. Okay, the shaded region bounded by the curve, the line x is equal to a, this one is line x is equal to e, and the x-axis, see the diagram. So this is the shaded region. Find the value of f. We need to find the value of e. We know that this is the maxima. So at maxima, the gradient of the curve should be 0. When x is equal to a, should be 0. Because we know that if this point is a maxima, derivative at the maxima should be 0. So we need the derivative of the curve. And we have the equation of the curve, so which is 4x to the power of half minus x derivative. So we will have dy over dx equals to 4 derivative of x to the power of half with respect to x minus dx over dx. So this one is equals to 4. Derivative of x to the power of half is half times x to the power of half minus 1, minus derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So this one will be 2. So we will have 2x to the power of negative half minus 1, and this one is equal to 2 over x to the power of half minus 1, and this one is the derivative of the curve. It is given that when x is a, derivative of the curve is 0. So it is given that derivative of the curve when x is equal to a is 0. So we can say that 2 over x to the power of half minus 1 when x is equal to a is equal to 0. Okay, so plugging x is equal to a, we will have 2 over a to the power of half minus 1 equal to 0. So this one equals to the 2 over a to the power of half equals to 1, and a to the power of half is equals to 2. Square both sides and we will have a is equals to 4. So we can say that maxima will achieve when x is equal to a. Part B, find the exact area of the shaded region. We need to find the area of this shaded region, and we know that the shaded region is under the curve from a to b. So area of shaded region is equal to area under the curve from a to b. And we know that area under the curve is derivative of y with respect to x from a to b. This is the area of the shaded region. But we don't have the information of b. We need information of b. So we know that this curve is passing through the point b. So we can say that b point, which is b comma 0, because we know that this point is b comma 0, which is capital B, on the curve. So it will satisfy the curve equation. So we know that curve equation is y is equal to 4x to the power of half minus x. And this point satisfies the curve, so we can say that 0 is equal to 4 times b to the power of half minus b. And this one is equal to b is equal to 4b to the power of half. And we can write it under root b times under root b is equal to 4 under root b. B will be cancelled out and we will have under root b is equal to 4. Square both sides, we will have b is equal to 16. So we have the b, which is capital B, which is 16 comma 0, and this small b is 16. And a we just calculated in part A, which is 4. So we can say that area under the curve is integration of y from a to b with respect to dx, which is equals to the a, which is 4, b, which is 16, and y is x to the power of half, 4 times x to the power of half minus x with respect to dx. Now we apply the integration. 4 integration of x to the power of half plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1 minus integration of x is 1 plus 1 over 2, where limit from 4 to 16. And this one is equals to 4x to the power of 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 minus x square over 2, and limit from 4 to 16. Now apply the upper limit then lower limit. So 4 times upper limit, which is 16 to the power of 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 minus 16 square over 2. This is the upper limit, minus lower limit means 4 times 4x 4 to the power of 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 minus 4 square over 2. Okay, solving this one will be 4. Okay, solving further, we will have 8 times 4 cube over 3 minus 256 over 2 minus, now this one will be 2, so we will have 64 over 3 minus 16 over 2. So this will be 8 and this will be 128. So this one will be equals to 512 over 3 minus 128 minus 64 over 3 minus 8. Taking LCM, and we will have 512 minus 384 over 3 minus 64 minus 24 over 3. 128 over 3 minus 40 over 3. Further solving, we will have 3 LCM. This will be equal to 128 minus 40, which is equal to the 88 over 3. And in mixed number, it will be 29 and 1 by 3. So this one is the area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region is 88 over 3 or 29 1 by 3 unit square.